Hey folks, it's Ralph with Stray Benzes. Sometimes don't you wish you had a cup holder? Those cars from Benz, the old 126s, they were made for cruising. And if you're on the Autobahn, well, you're supposed to drive, not eat or drink. Anyhow, we're in America. We need our cup holders. So here's a quick way to build yourself one for people who don't have the lockable box that just have the center console. So here it is. Here, two cup holders out of the accessory industry for boats. You can see it folds up. And there are two. They're just bolted together right here. And they're bolted to the center console through the carpet with four little screws here. Pain in the neck is to remove the center console, so you have to remove the center console wood, disconnect that, get this all out. Maybe we're gonna do another video on that, on how to do that at a later date, because the only tricky part trying to get this thing out is there's a screw in the back here. You loosen that one, and two screws under here that you take loose. And there's a Bowden cable that is connected to the center vent back here, and that has a banjo style fitting to it that you need to grab with the needle nose pliers. If you have to, you twist it, you unlock it, and you take that one down and out, and then you are good to go. You can remove this, remove the fresh air channels. You unfortunately do have to remove radio and the temperature controller, so it's a fairly big job. If you have any other way to fasten this little thing to it, be my guest, but this is a really cheap, ineffective way. And make sure that you let it flip up this way, because if you break this way, your braking force is not going to spill your cups. This way you have two cups that you can hold, drive with, and stow away, and you can still use your armrest. Good luck, folks.